Start by unplugging everything for your system. Prepare your filter for backwashing by switching the filter head to backwash. Then plug in your blower, switch it on, and allow it to run for 20 seconds. Then switch it off or unplug. Repeat this blower process 2 more times, 20 seconds each. Now switch the filter head over to rinse. Plug your pump back in and allow the pump to flush the filter until the water in the sight glass and as well as the water flowing from the drain line turns clear. Once complete, unplug your pump. Finally, switch your filter head to filter and plug your pump back in. That's how you backwash your Simply Clear system. Subscribe and like for more helpful videos.